So I started my morning by driving about an hour away from my home to pick up my 2 packages of bees that I ordered from the colony in Tingsboro, Massachusetts. Got my smoker loaded, even though I probably wouldn't need it. Someone said always light your smoker. So I detached the packages from each other and brought them out. So here I just explained to my father-in-law what I was doing and pulled the tab right off. That isn't right. So you should really just hold on to the tab, use your hive tool and kind of loosen up that sugar syrup can, but whatever. So my queen fell in, no real biggie. I was able to find her pretty quickly. I tamped the bees down and then you really just pour and side to side shake. Doesn't really annoy the bees that much. They're already like having a feast on all that sugar syrup and stuff. So this frame, I used 2 rubber bands just to hold my queen to it. This queen is named Beyonce. Beyonce. And then once the bees were in and the queen was in, I just started to return the frames. This is a brand new hive. Got it from BeeCastle. This is a deep body hive. I also got a hive kit from BeeCastle. It comes with a whole beekeeping kit. So it had like a suit, a veil, a smoker, small hive beetle traps, frames, queen cages. It also had some honey processing equipment in there too. So it's a really good kit if you're just looking for an affordable one. This is my second package. I just have 2 hives right now. So both of them are the BeeCastle, just to kind of keep consistent. I would like to compare these two, what things are, why one hive is, why they're different, what I can do to make them better. This queen here is Queen LaBeeva, and this is her hive here, and I just ratchet it together so it has a harder time blowing away. Please like and subscribe. I will be making more of these beekeeping videos as I go through my beekeeping experiences, and I would appreciate it if you would follow along, leave a comment, and check out some of my other videos. Subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications and know when I post new video. Thank you so much for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next one.